In today's world, as health issues continue to rise, many people are becoming increasingly cautious about relying too heavily on medication. Overuse of pharmaceutical drugs can lead to unwanted side effects, resistance, and long-term health complications. As a result, more individuals are turning toward natural, organic alternatives to support their well-being. These DIY, homemade remedies and organic products are gaining popularity due to their safety, sustainability, and ability to nourish the body without the harmful chemicals often found in synthetic options. Lanzones, also known as langsat, is not only a delicious fruit but also a superfruit packed with health benefits. Why not take advantage of this amazing fruit to improve your daily life? Today, let's explore some simple and effective ways to use lanzones at home. Mosquitoes bothering you? Lanzones peel can be your savior. The natural compounds in the peel can effectively repel insects. How to use it: wash the peel, cut it into small pieces, and dry it under the sun. Once dry, burn it to create smoke that drives mosquitoes away. Make a natural spa. Boil a handful of lanzones peel in 200 milliliters of water, let it cool, and pour it into a spray bottle. Now you have a safe and effective mosquito repellent for your home. Lanzone seeds, a natural remedy for stomach aches. Lanzone seeds can surprisingly help with digestive issues. They contain compounds that may relieve stomach discomfort. How to use it: clean, dry, and grind the seeds into a fine powder. Stir 1 to 2 teaspoons of seed powder into 200 milliliters of warm water and drink slowly. Make sure to consult with your doctor before trying this remedy. Lanzones flesh, a delight for every meal. Lanzones flesh is sweet, nutritious, and perfect for a variety of dishes. Try these ideas: mix lanzones with pineapple, watermelon, and kiwi. Add a drizzle of honey and lemon juice for a refreshing treat. Blend lanzones with yogurt and ice for a delicious, healthy drink. Puree lanzones, pour into molds, freeze, and enjoy your homemade fruity popsicles. And there you have it, 4 simple and effective ways to harness the power of lanzones for better health right at home. From its insect-repelling peel to the digestive benefits of its seeds and the delicious, nutrient-packed flesh, this fruit truly is a gift of nature. If you've tried any of these remedies or have your own lanzones tips, don't forget to share them in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. And of course, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on our next video, where we'll dive into the amazing benefits of lanzones in tackling chronic conditions. Stay tuned for more incredible health tips, and we'll see you in the next video.